So we crashed hard for 2 days, and I almost full-on wet the bed from deep sleep, and because it's apparently a sort of common side effect of jet lag, was that too much information? So after I ran to the bathroom to avert a crisis, we ran to some errands. We now had to make the final journey home to getting back on the road. Spoiler alert, we live in a tiny Toyota truck motorhome. So a bus, a train, and a car ride, thanks Ollie, later, we picked up our house to continue on with Vlort. Very long ongoing road trip. That's right, Vlort. Well, we're back in the 1991 Toyota Warrior that we sort of fixed up. We're just going to go move back into it now. We got to go to the storage locker and get the bed, get the couch, get the canisters and the curtains and the textiles and stuff. When we put it away, we filled all the lines with non-toxic antifreeze. We took out the propane, took out the battery, unhooked everything, so now we got to go and hook it all back up. Talk about Vlort. Did you already forget? Vlort. Very long, ongoing road trip. In these post-capital times, it's sort of like a way to rely on less money. Vlort is like a version of being unhoused, the platinum elite level. That's a lot emptier than India. Holy. And I sure don't hear any honking. The Vlort allows us to save some money to make vlots. Very long overseas travel series, like the one from our epic trip to India that you're watching now. Off we went after everything went relatively smoothly, aside from a tricky battery. Special massive thanks to Marino Ecofe and their partner Mike for the storage, assistance, and general awesomeness. Driving it partway back to pick up our bags in Surrey, and then off to the storage locker to get it clean and loaded up with beds and curtains. Got a bit of work to do. Cleaning it all up, getting it ready. Got the bed frame in there, or the base. We use these IKEA boxed decking, and then some of these mats to make it the same height as our board here. It's janky, but it works really, really well, and that gives a ton of airflow underneath. Rollerblades. Vital. Almost back set up for tiny mohome life. Can I take you for a fancy dinner?
Yes, please.
Sweet. This was nearby, and they have options.
Do you want to just have this one?
Yeah.
$12 for 6 hot dogs, 2 ice creams.
That's like 1980s prices.
I have a very important update. Things are going great. Strawberry soft serve. Didn't get to have soft serve even once in India because every last bit of it was milk. It's okay.
It's day 3 and I'm still dealing with waves of jet lag. Sometimes the time feels like it's supposed to be. Yeah, feels like noon. Other times 4 o'clock hits and I'm dead asleep over like it's overnight. Ugh. Woo! What a flight. Are you gonna go start it up?
Yep. Can you crank that?
Well, we were having the odd bits of battery hiccups, but it resolved itself and we kept rolling to what was really important. The best vegan pizza, burger, and Indian food spot in all of Vancouver, and perhaps anywhere. And one of my favorite pizzas. One of the best pizzas there is. The Pizza Castle. Onion ring pizza. Indian food.
Such a unique pizza. A little spice, onion ring, bits of tandoori chicken, 2 types of cheese, creamy sauce. So good. I missed that. You want a piece? Should be walking about. Well, we are back now, settled in mostly, finishing up the series with a focus on Indians here in Canada celebrating in our next video,
and reporting all the tips and tricks and gripes and warnings and exaltations and other things from our experience traveling in the finale. With over 100 videos just about India and all those amazing sights we saw, I hope you will go back through, catch episodes you missed, revisit ones you like, comment, subscribe, and all of that.
I actually had a friend that died in a canal. What a way to die, hey? What a way to die. Well, as you can see, spring has sprung in Vancouver, and spring is being celebrated in India too, with the Vaisakhi festival. Time to cut that grain and do all those other Vaisakhi things. I'm not going to be there for Vaisakhi, so I don't know what it is that you do. Or do I? In fact, I'm going to Vaisakhi celebrations in Surrey with our awesome friend, Karandeep Singh.
Watch for the video called Exit Interview with India in the next few days. Thanks for traveling through the black holes with us, for Vegan Everywhere and experiencing odd rhythms in the land of Circadia. I'm David.